All right, so this is the picture that you have in the lens program that we have on Patreon. And so you're aware of what this looks like already. What I'm going to try to do is start to contour the hair on his face and under his chin and on top of his head as well. I need to get this hair to go in this direction because obviously his face is that way, is turned that way, and so I need to get this hair to appear that it's going to be parallel or somewhat parallel to the side of his face. There'll be a lot more work still done on that eye ridge and stuff to round the face off and get it done. I was mainly worried about getting this shape for the most part for the face. There's still a lot of work to be done there, but this is the direction that we want. So I'm going to start contouring the hair to match this direction. After I do that, I'll know how much more I can cut under the chin here, and then of course back on the foot, and everything else has to move at that point. But getting the shape of the hair will help me a lot in defining the rest of the piece. So I'll do that now, and then we'll post both videos, this one and the work I've done here, later tonight.